This is a video we have just created. In this video I will show you how to create this outer glow like this and how to create the rounded corner of any image and any video. By the way, I want to show you something new. Here I have already made a video on this topic, how to create a timer clock inside After Effects and how to animate its numbering. So I have already uploaded a video on my channel. You must watch that video and learn something new. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to composition and new composition, create a new composition, and I will call it main. And here you can see width 1920, height 1080 and frame rate 30, and select the duration 30, or you can select the durations around 10 is perfect and hit OK. After that, and here you can see we have two images and one video. So first of all, I will import this image inside After Effects. Simply drag and drop over here. First of all, I will right click and pre-compose it and go inside, and double click, go inside, and simply press S and scale down. So how to create a rounded corner of this image? It's very simple. Make sure this layer is not selected, otherwise it will create a mask. Okay, now select this rectangle, click and hold down and select this rectangle tool. Simply left click and draw a perfect rectangle like so, and here you can see it is creating a stroke, but I don't need the stroke. Click on stroke, select the none, and again select fill option, and here you can select fill options. We have this kind of rectangles. Let's come over here. Here you can see we have just created this shape layer. Go inside, and here is the rectangle. Go inside rectangle path, and here you can see roundness. How much rounded corner do you need? I will type here 50. I need 50, and you can select the value as you like, and it's perfect. Let's close it up, and so simply select the bottom layer, and here you can see this track mat. Click over here, and here you can see shape layer 1, and here is shape layer 1. Select this layer, and it is creating a mask. You can change this image with another one, and here you can see we have another image. First of all, select this bottom image and select this image and drag and drop on it. Okay, it will automatically change, and now we have another rounded image. It's not working, don't worry. Select this image, press S and scale it up. Now you can see it's perfectly working, and here you can see it's working perfectly. So it's very easy how you can do this, how you can do that. And if you want another, select this video, and here you can see we have this video. Simply select this video, hold down Alt and drag on it. First of all, you need to select this image, then you have to select the video. Simply left click and by holding Alt and drag and drop on it. Okay, so now we have perfectly changed the rounded corner of any image and any video. Simply select this video, press S and scale down and scale up. You can make this like so. And if you want to create the outer glow, same perfect outer line of this image or of any kind of videos, so it's very easy. Select the top layer and press Ctrl D and create one more duplicate, and simply highlight it from here, and then we need a outer glow and outer line perfect size. So then click on this fill option and select none, because we don't need the inner side part of the rectangle. Hit OK. Select the stroke, and here is solid color. Select the solid color, and now we have perfect outer line around this image. Let's change its color. I will change it into red like so, and you can change this one or which do you like. Okay, so how to create a glow? Simply select this top layer and then press Ctrl spacebar. This is a plugin, you can download it. I will leave the link below. And search for deep glow. Yes, click and type, and here you can see now we have interesting glow. Here is the radius. Decrease the radius, and 100 radius is enough. Then I will decrease its exposure value. 0.5 is good at this time. Okay, it's looking great and great. So in this way you can create different kinds rounded corners of any kind of videos, and I'll see you in the next video. So till then, take care, see you there, and bye bye.